Welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today we're going to be talking about self-awareness. And the reason I'm doing a video on this is because recently I've started creating goal sheets for 2018 and really writing down what my situation is at the moment. And I think many people are kind of in this fake narrative, myself included. We think we're doing better than we actually are, and we don't really assess what our situation is. So today I'm just going to go through a few points on how to become more self-aware and how to really adapt to your situation in order to optimize and channel to completing and achieving your goals and becoming successful. So the first thing you have to do is write down your goals. So financial and practical goals. So what are they? So for example, with me, I want to make, for example, I don't really 100% know because I don't know when I'm going to start. But let's say 5,000 from FBA. So that would be my financial goals, and my practical goals would be to start FBA, to rank on the first page, to get a new product, stuff like that. So I hope you can see kind of how it links to yourself. And next you have to write down your income sources. So how do you actually make money to scale up? How do you have any jobs? Do you have any business models? So a lot of people want to achieve these financial goals without realizing how they actually make money in order to reach that. So write down your income streams next. And let's say for me, Amazon FBA, that's going to be a new income stream to make me my financial goal. So when I write down my income streams, I'm going to put, the new ones. So I take into account that will soon be an income stream. So then you do some math. Literally do the math. So I've done a video on my financial goals for FBA, and that's all you have to do. What metric do you have to increase in order to reach your financial goals? So just on another example here, let's say you make 200 a month from eBay, and you sold, I don't know, 10 products. In order to scale that up, the metric you have to change is the quantity of items and obviously the value of the items. So that's just a little example there, but it can work with anything, and that can work with your goals as well. So with FBA, get more products makes you more money, and that is how you can properly work out, become self-aware of your income streams, what your situation is, and how you can go about improving it to hit your goals. So breaking it down, it really just opens your mind up to what the situation is, and becoming self-aware is obviously knowing yourself. Maybe you might be influenced by people you watch and you think you're doing better than you are, but really writing everything down, writing your income streams, how much you earn, how can you adapt to that to make your goals make more. It just really helps with becoming more self-aware. And I hope that this has helped you guys with taking some practical action on becoming more self-aware. So literally step 1 would be write down your goals. Step 2 would be write down your income streams, what jobs you have, and then you work out the mathematics on how you can scale and reach your targets. It's pretty much as simple as that, guys. And you can write, you can do so much more. You can write health goals, for example. Maybe you want to do your goals in terms of health. So you want to meditate more. So then you write down how much you meditate at the moment, and then you do the math, and you do how much I would have to meditate, what hours I would have to use in my day to be able to hit my goal of how much I meditate in a year, for example. And it's just that it can be the same for any different situation. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Nothing too crazy, but again, I really want to try and become more self-aware, and writing goals and doing these activities helps a ton with that, and I hope that you can do the same. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. I'd love to get to know you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I will catch you in the next one.